Do you have a rental property but still haven't found the right tenant? Does the process feel slow or complicated? I'm Nick Jensen. I'm the owner of NV Property Management, and I want to share 4 high-level steps on how we can help you find the perfect tenant quickly and hassle-free. At NV Property Management, we take care of everything for you. Our team of property management experts specialize in renting properties fast and at the best price. The first step to a successful rental is having a dedicated leasing specialist. We have experts focused solely on marketing your property and securing reliable tenants. We take care of the following: preparing your property to be marketed, listing it on over 60 top rental platforms, answering inquiries and managing prospects, showing it to potential tenants, and regularly checking on your property during the vacancy period. When using us as a specialist, you get access to tools and resources that will help you place a tenant faster and with better results. The second step to successfully renting your property is pricing it correctly. One of the most common mistakes when renting out a property is overpricing it. If the price isn't competitive, your property will take longer to rent, become stale, and you'll lose income month after month. At NV Property Management, we subscribe to multiple databases that give us up-to-date market data. This allows our team to conduct a professional rental market analysis, combining real-time data with our expertise to price your property accurately. This helps your property to rent quickly and for the highest possible value. The third step is to find potential tenants. Today, 90% of tenants search for properties online, which means your property must look good online. If your listing doesn't have high-quality photos, no one will want to go and see it. Professional photography, 3D renderings, and floor plans brings your property to the top of search results and leads to more views, which ultimately leads to your property renting faster. Listings with professional marketing packages rent up to 50 times faster than those without. Lighting, angles, editing, and descriptions make all the difference. At NV Property Management, we ensure your property looks outstanding online. The fourth step is to have your property listed anywhere a tenant may search to find for a new home. If your listing is only on social media, you're missing out on a lot of potential tenants. We use advanced technology to syndicate your property across over 60 rental platforms, including the big ones like Zillow, Trulia, and many more. More visibility on your property generates more tenant interest, leading to faster rentals at a better price. So there you have it. Those are 4 key steps to renting your property quickly, at the right price, and without the hassle. If you feel like you need some help with this, at NV Property Management, we are a full-service property management company, and we can handle everything for you. So if you'd like to leave your property in expert hands, fill out the form now, and we'll get in touch with you. Or you can give us a call at 801-337-4337. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.